luck, and they've been playing your song all morning today.
Wow!
On all the local stations.
What the heck is Dyngus Day?
Yep, that's the one.
Okay.
Dyngus Day!
Hi, I'm Professor David Musial with Kasia, Drucker, and here we are in Greenpoint area of Brooklyn, right across from the Empire State Building in New York City. And we are announcing that we are going to now be teaching children and grandchildren how to make new songs about Dyngus Day. What the heck is Dyngus Day?
Dzień dobry, chcemy właśnie Państwu zaprosić i powiedzieć, że właśnie będziemy uczyć dzieci polskie, wnuki o naszych seniorów, nowej piosenki Dyngusa na dingusdaysongs.com.